Hey folks, welcome to the Do It Yourself Dad channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a light fixture like this and change it to something just like this. And this is a quick, easy job that'll take you just about 5 minutes and just require basic hand tools. Now this is the light fixture that we're switching it out to, and what's nice about this one is you don't have to do any cutting into your drywall. It looks like a recessed light, but it's not. It's actually flush mounted. Now this one also has a motion detector on it because I'm putting it in a closet, but you can get them with or without a motion detector, and I'm going to have a link for both of those down in the description below. Now before you touch anything, make sure you have the power to the circuit turned off. Make sure you have no juice running to the switch or to the light fixture itself. Then we can start by taking apart our light fixture. Now in the case of our fixture, we're going to take the bulb off, and then there should be 2 screws that are actually going to hold this thing into the junction box itself. So once you take those 2 screws out, the entire fixture should drop and it'll expose the wiring beneath it. Now typical house wiring is going to have everything hooked in with these. These are called wire nuts. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You're just going to unscrew the wire nuts and everything should fall out. Now in some situations you'll have 2 wires like mine, and in some situations you'll have a third. That third wire is the ground. If you do have a ground, you will have to unhook the ground as well. So now it's time to start installing our new light. Now the new light is going to install the same way the old one came out. Black to black, white to white as far as the wires go, and then if you have a ground, we're going to hook that up as well. Now the easiest way to do this is to twist the wires around each other and then take the wire nut, slip it over the entire thing, and crank it down. You should be able to tighten this thing all the way down so it's nice and tight, and there should be no copper exposed once you have this thing on tight. Now in my case here, I have a loose ground wire, so what I'm going to be doing is just attaching the ground to ground. In some cases, the ground wire will actually be attached to a plate within the box, and then you've got to attach it there. If that is the case, you're going to identify that with a green screw. The next step is installing the supplied mounting plate. Now the mounting plate installs with the longer screws that come with your set, and you want to make sure that you have this thing installed with the little indentation facing up into the box. Now these things will thread directly into the screws that are in the box. Once you get them loose in place, then you can tighten it all the way down and make this thing snug. You do want to make this bracket snug to your ceiling or to the J-box. Once the plate has been secured, there are 2 shorter screws that we're going to screw into the little threaded holes on the plate. These are the screws that the light will actually attach to. Now you'll notice those open slots in the light. Those open slots will slip on over those screws, and then you can twist the light a little bit to the right to get them to tighten down around those screws. Once that's in place, now you can take your screwdriver and tighten those screws down the rest of the way, and your light will actually be mounted to your ceiling. At this point, before you button everything back up, it's not a bad idea to fire up the power to the house and make sure that your light is working before you put the cover on. Another neat feature of this light is there is a switch up there that allows you to go up and actually change the color temperature of the bulb so it can match all the other lights in your house. Once you confirm that the light is working, the cover snaps in place. This cover snaps in and then it does a little bit of a quarter turn to the right, and that makes it nice and snug. And that is all there is to it. This is a quick, easy job that you can do in about 5 minutes using just a screwdriver. Now, if this job helped you out, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Go down below into the description. Leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything you'd like tips and tricks on around your house. And of course, thanks for watching.